Hello, my name is Joel Diba Maura, and I'm in the process of deleting my database and restoring a new one. So here is the I'm in render, and this is my database, and I'm out to delete it. So here I'll copy that, then come here, paste, and then delete. The process is going on. I go on, I want a new one, and then here I am. I have, then so here is my new one. CE 340, then here 65, project option, CC Oregon 16, after filling the filter, I'm ready now to create a new database. Oh, not clicking. So there I am, my database. Is going on, my database is creating. Here I come and copy the external. After copying the external,